Okay, so just to review, if you have the same denominator, you will simply subtract or add the top numbers like normal, keep the bottom number the same, and simplify. So looking at a few examples together quickly, we have potentially 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3. So I'd like you to think about what we need to do for this. Think about what the bottom number will be. So I'm going to give you a few seconds just to think about what the bottom number will be. Okay, so if you think that it is 3, then you are correct, because we want the bottom number or the denominator to stay the same. Now, we know that the second step is you will simply subtract or add the top numbers like normal. So we have 2 minus 1. So what is that equal to? I'll give you a few seconds. And that is equal to 1. If we had 4 fifths plus 3 fifths, that would equal, let's start with the bottom number again. So I'll give you a few seconds to think about what the bottom number will be. If you think that it is 5, then you are correct. And I will also give you a few seconds to think about what the top number will be. And we have 4 plus 3. So if you're thinking 7, then you are correct. So you'll notice that we have 7 over 5. Our top number is bigger than the bottom one, which means that we have an improper fraction. We want the top number to always be smaller than the bottom one. So what we can do is you can think, what number needs to be on the top of this fraction for it to end up equaling 1? And if you are thinking that that would be 5, you are correct, because 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So if we subtract 7 minus 5, that will give us 2 fifths. So the answer in proper form, since we took out something that is equal to 1, we have 1 and 2 fifths.